go into court, we don't view ourselves as the attorney. We view ourselves as the client. By virtue of the fact that we have internalized the client's problem, we are fully familiar with the objectives and the goals that the client wants to achieve. Because we recognize that the client is looking for justice in a system that's so confusing and sometimes so unpredictable, we are the client. We don't just represent the client. So that when things happen in the courtroom that we feel somehow is going to affect that justice that our client is looking for, we take it personally. It becomes our problem. And when you take something personally, you don't just idly sit back. You don't just argue a legal position. You advocate. You are the client's tool. You are the client's mouthpiece. If you would, we view ourselves as the client's bullhorn. And this is the one opportunity that the client has to present their case to the courtroom, to a jury or to a judge, to a mediator. And so we recognize that we are the client's mouthpiece. We are the instrument. What we bring to the table is our education, our experience, our knowledge, and we merge it, we mold it, and make it one with the client's objectives and the justice that the client is looking to achieve. And when that happens, there's a hybrid that is presented in court. A combination of an attorney-client, all embodied in our words and in our papers and in our presentation of the case. We view ourselves as that mouthpiece, that bullhorn, that microphone, that tool, that instrument that the client needs to present his or her case in court to achieve the justice that he or she is looking for. That's how we see ourselves.